Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn with Randy. So I got a message asking how to change the broken hose. So now I have a hose here and I will gonna show you how to change the drain hose. Okay, so what we need to do is to dismantle or remove the broken hose. This is the episode 3 for the washing machine. What tools we need is just a Phillips screwdriver and plier. So we'll remove all the hose clips and remove from the clip. After removing the screw holding the clip, we disconnect the clip here from the hose. Then we open the cover, the back cover. Then we have to turn the washing machine or flip it. So we lean the washing machine on the front side to gain access for the hose. So as you see here, we need to remove these clips or this clip in order to replace it. Using the plier to grip, you can disconnect this. And then you can pull out the old hose, drain hose. You need to push the hose holder to this side in order to remove the clip, and then you can start to remove it now. Then you can pull it out easily like this, and we install the new hose. Then we fix the clip to the hose. So we fix the clip first this way, then we insert. Make sure that the hose is all the way through. And then using our plier, we can squeeze the clip. Now it is securely clipped and the hose is all the way to the end of the neck. Then we need to fix back this clip. So the securing clip for the hose is done. Make sure that the hose inside is not touching on the drum nor this shock or the vibration absorber. It must have the right length and it should be free from any moving part, so it will not damage your hose. Okay, so that is how easy to change the washing machine hose. If you like the video, please like and subscribe so that I will continue to post learning videos about your daily household repair. Thank you for watching, and God bless everyone.